Welcome ladies and gents to Brain's A Brain video. Welcome to vlog number 3. We're going to Rooster Cafe in Resto. I'm starting to vlog a lot of things because I'm out of content. After I got my PC, upgraded all that, where I can actually play games now, that's when I actually ran out of games to play. Oh, I know, it's really ironic. Alright, so we have arrived. This place is big. That's about. Yeah. There's so many stairs. You like stairs, we're not coming back here. It's why this place is called Jester Cafe. We're finally up. I'm gonna go up there. Too much stairs. I don't like there's so much stairs. There's a lot of chicken coops. But there's too much stairs. I'm already dying. This place is really pretty though. Come on then, let's check over here. Be careful though. Come on.
Can you help me?
Hey. Come here. Hey, I'm dying. Nobody in our family likes stairs. Especially me. Because I have asthma. It's scary. There's so much chickens. The chicken babasilagsan sa manok. The chicken looks very menacing. I don't enjoy stairs too much. I am dying. Gani. Nice coffee. So we finished eating, we finished taking pictures.
You didn't say hi. Say hi to the nurses at Metro Bacolod Hospital. 3A represent.
Currently, I am at 970 something. Thank you so much for all the people who subscribed from Facebook. Shout out to all the people who watch my videos, especially from people from Facebook. Shout out to Queensman.
The nurses.
The nurses from my mom's hospital.
Metro Bacolod.
The way you said it sounds like you own the hospital. My mom's hospital. I don't know, it's a relatively short vlog. 50% of the time I was just being dead because of the stairs. Just finished editing actually. Literally 50% of the video is just me whining about the stairs. My bad, I'm sorry. I'm new to vlogging. Actually, I did vlog as a kid, but it was all shakiness. The floor and copyright music. It's gone now. It's lost in the archives of YouTube. But yeah, I'm really close to 1,000 subscribers, just like 30 plus away. I'm really excited. I'm not sure what to do for a 1,000 special yet. I will release my long forgotten 1,000 special sub texture pack. Yeah, made by Zazoid. It's long forgotten. I'm no longer a PvP YouTuber. I stopped recording PvP stuff. I might get back into it just for like a nostalgia thing when I reach 1,000. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm really close to 1,000. Ooh, say hi in the comments down below. Join me in the server. Check out my Facebook page. I just post my videos there just for more exposure. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.